I don't know who exactly out there needs to hear this right now, but if there's any of you out there that are on a similar journey to me, you feel like you've been putting in the work for a few years now, and you've never really had a monumental big success. You've never had a year where everything just took off yet. This is just a letter, a video letter, a video diary to myself that I can look back on throughout this year whenever I need a reminder. And I hope it will benefit some of you as well. If any of you guys need that little bit of that last push, that last kick to tip you over the edge and get you rolling. Because I know that I've seen a lot of pieces of content from other people, just even if it's just the simplest little video. Sometimes the message just is all that I need to convince me to get off my ass and go after what I was contemplating, what I was on the edge about. So if this can help even one other person other than myself, that's all I really care about for this video. It's January 1st right now, 2024, and I hope that I'll be able to look back on this in a year with pride and be proud of the stuff that I've done in the last 365 days. And I'm not one of those people, before you think of it, just because it's January 1st, I'm not one of those idiots that only starts on January 1st, last 4 days. I've been building the foundation for a new project that I've been working on for the past few months now of online fitness coaching. And my major goal this year does not have to do with myself per se, but it's with other people, and that's to help transform the lives of 50 other people through online fitness coaching. I know from experience with my own life that if you can dial in the fitness aspect of your life, you can have a good physique, you can be healthy, you can feel good, you can look good, and you can get confident in yourself. It elevates all aspects of your life, hands down. And I want to be able to do that for other people. And at the end of the day, it is like a new business that I'm starting. So obviously I do want to make money from it, but I'm trying to focus on the greater purpose of it and the thing that will actually bring me fulfillment and benefit others the most as well. And that is just providing so much value that it makes it impossible for those 50 people that I'm going to transform this year to not completely change their lives and level up themselves. Because when I have a goal like that, I know that when it's not only a goal for myself, but a goal for 50 other people, so that's 51 total people that can benefit from my goal that I'm setting this year, that's what's going to get me up in the morning and keep me working and putting in that extra little bit of work to just push it to the next level, because it's not about me anymore. It's about all the people that I have the potential to help, because I've been working out and lifting for like 6 years now. And while I don't know every single thing, nobody ever will know everything about everything. The more you learn, the more you realize you don't know. Those 6 years have taught me a lot. I've been through ups and excuse me. I've been through ups and downs with lifting. I haven't always, over those past 6 years, I haven't consistently and constantly been lifting either. I'll go through periods where I just kind of casually lift. But that's besides the point. The point is that I have this bank of knowledge that I can be using to help other people. And that honestly fires me up the most. That's what really motivates me, because this past year, all my goals were just very self-centered. Like, other than spending more time with friends and family, that was about the only goal that had to do with helping other people. I mean, my goals last year were like, get 20,000 subscribers, post a bunch of YouTube videos, get a high net worth, all this stuff that doesn't involve helping other people. And this year, I tried to make my goals all align on this one vision of helping transform other people through the online fitness coaching. I do have a business that I work on in the summer the bounce house rental business. So one of my major concerns for this year is balancing the two. Not only balancing those two, but the other aspects of my life as well. I'm still in college, unfortunately. I do have 1 year left. So 2 full semesters in the summer semester. And I really do not want to let that get in the way and hinder my ability to focus on the things that I want to focus on this year. I just want to be able to get good enough grades, graduate. But I really want to focus on my personal vision, because this past year I put in a lot of hard work, but that hard work was dispersed in a lot of different ways. I was doing a lot of different things and I wasn't focused on 1 or 2 main things throughout the year. I was constantly bouncing around. And while that builds the foundation for a lot of different things, I don't get to see the fruits of any of my labor for any of those things, because the foundation is down here all across the board. So this year, I really, really want to dial in, focus in on those 2 businesses that I'll be working on this year. And the good thing about online fitness coaching that I'll be pursuing is, while I'm transforming, hopefully some of you guys, if there's any of you guys watching that are interested, transforming your life this year, hopefully I'll be able to transform your body, your physique, tell you everything that you need to know and motivate you and ensure that you hit your goal. The good thing about this year for me is that I also have some personal goals related to fitness as well. So I'll be right there in the trenches with you. I'll be working out every single day, lifting alongside you guys. Maybe not in person, but I'll be lifting every single day just like you guys will be as well. I'll be checking in with you guys weekly. That's the structure that I'm going with. Sending daily motivation. And I honestly just want to build sort of a community of guys that are just interested in leveling up, of like taking action and actually doing shit with their lives. Like, I don't want to be around guys that are just like moving through life, cruising through life, not really doing much, not driven. I want to build a community this year of guys that are focused, ready to take action, ready to just level up everything and see their true potential. Because you have this energy store every single day. You have energy banked up and you choose how to use it. And I want to be around guys, I want to be coaching guys that are willing to use up that energy. I don't want to coach guys that are going to sit around all day and waste that potential. I want to be able to lead guys to be able to hit their dream physique this year, because it does not take more than a year. That's what I want out of this year. Anyways, back to the being able to focus on one thing. I've never had more clear of a vision than I do at the beginning of this year, because I'm not starting on January 1st. I've been growing the roots. I've been sowing the seeds, planting the seeds, whatever analogy you want to use. I've been doing that the past few months. And even before that, working hard. But on this particular vision, I've been planting those seeds for the past few months so that I am set up now. And I can just naturally move in as the year begins, the new year. It'll only give me a little extra motivation, but I know that those plants are already growing their roots right now. They're going to sprout this year. And I mentioned at the beginning of the video that the past few years I've really I feel like I've been busting my ass and trying a lot of different things, trying so many different ways to achieve my ultimate dreams, and I haven't really seen any big monumental inflection points, anything that I've had some successes here and there, don't get me wrong, but never had a big, just huge year. And I know that's not what life is all about. Life is all about the process, but nonetheless, I think I'm ready for that year now, because I've spent these past few years in entrepreneurship, in self-improvement, in the gym, in building my mindset. And I've been gaining these new skills that are ready to be put to the test. And they can all just combine. Because I've had various different experiences in various different industries, I guess you could say. Like, I've tried, for any of you guys that are into entrepreneurship that watch me, I know I have like entrepreneurship and then also fitness. Like I said, been lifting for 6 years, seen so many different tips. That's all coming together this year. I got some huge new fitness goals that I want to achieve this year that are higher than any peak that I've ever reached in fitness before. And on the entrepreneurship side, I started like Amazon FBA freshman year of college, picked up some skills there, tried drop shipping in between that. I'm sure we all have. Then I also tried YouTube for a long time. Actually, I think I've been doing YouTube for like 10 years. Not obviously consistently, but I started back in middle school. So I know that all these skills that I've been working on throughout my entire life have just been building and building and building. And eventually, on top of that foundation, you have to start building the house. And I know that those results that I want so badly, no matter how badly I want them, they're not going to come until I am ready for them to come. Because inevitably, you cannot have some success if you're not capable of that success already. It's not about the output. It's not about how much you want that output. I think that's the mistake that I made last year, reflecting back, is that I thought no matter how hard I envisioned myself and believed that I could do it, which is very important, I will say. I thought that if I could do that alone, though, and just focus on that stuff, the stuff I seek will come. But that's not the case, because vision is good. And vision is what I have this year, again, crystal clear. But I have to combine that with action. And I think that's what I've gotten a lot better about. It's just taking raw action, doing shit that scares me. And that has to do with being in the gym as well. I know that that can be intimidating for a lot of you guys. But just, honestly, there's no better way to say it than just jump head in. And if you need some sort of motivation, some tipping point, let it be this video. I used to be never in the gym, normal ass kid, super skinny, skinnier than anyone at your school probably. If you just imagine the skinniest kid at your school, that was me. And I started in the gym at one point looking like that. Started eating more. And slowly over time, the results come. And you're not that skinny kid anymore. So I hope that if what I just said can just get one of you guys to get started in the gym, that's all I care about. Because honestly, that's what I needed to hear back then when I was just starting out as well. But all in all, this is just kind of a video diary to myself. Like I said, I know that I'll be able to look back and be proud and look back on this video, and hopefully it helped a couple of you guys. Just maybe this is something that you listen to when you're driving or just need a little bit of inspiration, going to sleep. I had someone comment that even to give you just a little bit of motivation that you need. Hope you guys go out there and kill it this year. I know I will. Subscribe, I guess. I don't really ask for subscribes or likes anymore, but for your sake, I'll be posting a lot this year. And if you need that little bit of check-ins, those little bit of motivation tidbits to get you back on track. Trust me, I'll be here for you guys. And I hope that you guys will be there for me as well. But anyways, good luck, guys. See you in the next one.